back on. Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations.
And your favorite sidekick, Megan from Blue Sky.
With making brownies with the Pampered Chef pan.
Ooh.
And we're going to put a little bit of powdered sugar on them. Because I got a little canister as one of my free gifts to sprinkle powdered sugar, which I think is adorable. And I'm also going to use my cooling rack, which I bought at another person's party. So let's get started.
Brownies!
Here's the brownies we're going to be making. I'm going to read the directions and she's going to put them in the pan, or in the bowl, excuse me. So the first thing she does, and we do not preheat our oven, we are using we're using the Pampered Chef pan, but I put little cupcake holders in it. So that's what we're going to fill up.
Yeah.
So the first thing she's going to do is she's going to put the brownie mix in the bowl.
The lovely bag that I have opened already. Okay. What's next?
And then she's going to put 3 tablespoons of water.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, well, that's a tablespoon, right?
Mm-hmm.
I need to make sure it's perfect. Are you laughing back there?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Next, she's going to put what we're using instead of oil, which we are using applesauce. So she's going to be putting the applesauce in next. Normally, you would be putting a half a cup of oil, but we substitute applesauce. You can use a measuring spoon right there. Do you want this spatula on the left on the stove?
Oh,
Okay.
I knew that. Just in case it all doesn't come out.
Okay.
Keep talking.
And then she's going to put the 2 eggs, which are already in a bowl. And then she's going to be using the Pampered Chef whip that I used when I made the ice cream. Whisk, excuse me.
It's not a whip. We're not whipping people.
That is a very nice whisk, by the way. I like the way it feels in your hand. It's really well balanced. Pardon? What?
Huh? You're talking about a whip. I'm like, okay. I'm going to pop the eggs first.
Okay.
I would normally use a regular spatula, not typically a whisk. Get the batter off the side.
Okay.
Not the batter, the powder. Flour? The powder.
And of course, it does not show on here if you were using the little baking. If you made it into individual serving size, the oven temperature or anything. Normally, your oven temperature is 350, and it shows for your pan size a 9x13, a 9x9, or an 8x8.
Maybe go with the smallest measure, just in case.
Well, it's knocking the temperature down to 325, but you know we don't do anything more than 250 in our oven.
No, it's because our oven is temperamental. Okay.
It does say shorten the baking time by 3 minutes for a non-stick pan. Yep, that looks good.
I don't know if you can see that very well.
Okay. Yep, it looks really good. So
that's what it should look like.
Okay.
Alright, and we will go to the next thing.
You want to do a couple on camera, or?
The camera is rolling.
Yeah, but I can't.
I don't know how full you want them. So I'm going to stop right there.
3/4 of the way full.
I don't know eye measures.
Let me come over to your left and look. That looks good. Okay.
I hope the camera's picking.
It's not. I'm gonna be wiggly as all get out.
That's you know, we're doing our best.
Now, would you like me to flip the pan for you? So it's not so hard to reach. There we go.
Sure, as I drip everywhere.
It's all right. The Rugrats on the floor will get the drip.
Oh, ew, no, let's
It's not going to go on the floor. It's got a carpet down there.
They better
They're
not
not going to
get
lick
the drip.
it. We don't want them having chocolate.
I'm trying to catch it
Okay.
like that. Is it picking it up on the camera?
Mm-hmm. A little bit. So you can see when you're
A
done.
little bit.
Well, I mean, the container's in there, but, I mean, there you go. That one looked good.
I cannot see what I'm doing.
It all looks good.
Oh, that one went over.
Now they're all filled up. We cleaned the pan a little bit the best we could. We're going to go ahead and put them in the oven. Megan is. Come on, I'm going to try not to rock it to death here while you grab it. Wait a minute, stop. I just now realized the oven has things in it that need to be removed. All right, we cleared out the oven. Now we're going to put it in the oven.
You want the top rack?
Yeah. Out in the middle.
I'm good.
Go ahead and, all right, flip the light on for it also.
You
Put it on,
see it? It's beautiful.
Put it on 2 1/4. We'll turn it on. Okay, and we're going to set it for 20 minutes for starts.
Sounds good.
Here they are out of the oven, and we're going to put them on this cooling rack, which also is a Pampered Chef item right here, which I have not tried out yet. Already. This is the way I do it. I don't really touch them. Because these are hot, fresh, right out of the oven.
They smell good too.
I can't quite get that one over there yet, so.
That one?
Yeah, because I can't get enough grip on the paper here.
I think you're doing this well.
There we go. Why don't they look good? I'm filling up the powdered sugar container. Well, I'm not going to fill it. I'm just putting a little bit in there from Pampered Chef so I can sprinkle some powdered sugar on these. Just one moment.
She's putting on the, what's it called?
Lid.
The lid. Well, it's on the bottom of it. She's putting on its pants.
I'm going to test it in the sink first. Oh, yep. Ready?
Yeah.
Just like this. Put a little powdered sugar on it. There we go. What'd you think?
I think they
I
look
think it's-
beautiful.
Great. Fantastic.
They're darker on camera though. But I'm sure that's just the camera.
Oh, let me pick one up. Brush a little off here. Oh. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh.
Hold still. There you go.
That is delicious looking.
It's a little piece that fell.
Shall we pour? I'm gonna put a little ice cream in my bowl.
I want to put it
We
in my
cut it in
bowl.
half. That's good, thank you. Alrighty, so that is our homemade ice cream from the weekend. Since we're wrapping up this party, I thought a piece of brownie with ice cream would be great to end it off. And if I make any more of this ice cream and brownies, I guess my office is going to be getting some treats.
We're going to have to share it with our subscribers.
I wish we could give it to our subscribers right now.
Look at that.
That is delicious ice cream.
Looks amazing.
I know it does. It is wonderful.
Okay, let's go eat it now.
All right, let's take a taste. So I want to wrap up the party.
Okay, now.
So I want to wrap up the party, and I want to thank, first off, Julia, my consultant, for this party. I want to thank everyone who has purchased something. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I would have sent everyone a personal email, but for some reason the account is not working correctly. Because normally what it does is it will give me a list of names of those that have purchased, and then I can send you an email and thank you. But it's not working this time around. So That's why I want to personally say thank you everybody on my YouTube video here. And I want to let you know that the brownie and this ice cream with this little bit of peppermint, was it peppermint? It was.
Yeah.
Is delicious. So we will be having more. And
Cheers.
as soon as I figure out how to, don't be so quick. So as soon as I figure out how to make it so that we actually use the ice cream freezer with the electrical part that goes around and stirs it,
The
I will
ice cream maker. It's
Yes.
not a freezer.
maker. I will do another video on that. But until I figured that one out, we're eating what we got because it's delicious.
Cheers.
Okay, hold on. Cheers. I got a little brownie in mine.
I ate
Yeah,
all my
I'm good.
brownie.
Yeah, I guess the brownie was good, wasn't it?
This is my last bite.
And these two flavors go together really good. Mmm. I wish you could taste it.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What did you just do?
I started to drool on you.